getting off in the rain is crazy work. I don't never talk on these videos. What up, y'all? I ain't gonna talk though. I just want to say what up for the one time. Hey, real quick though, crazy content on the way. Crazy content on the way. Facts. I just want to smash on it one time, but I just vision myself fucking up. So I'm gonna smash on it on the street. That's why I'm getting off the highway. I'm not doing that shit on the highway. Fuck no. Y'all goofy ass niggas that be in the comments like, oh, you're not a fucking cut up, or you don't know how to fucking cut. Like, nigga, shut your ass up. You can crash out on the fucking highway, nigga. I'm not. Fuck. Fuck is you talking about? Oh shit, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas after this red light. That motherfucker lucky is slick, nigga, nice. I should have stopped. Oh well. It's a challenger up here. Fuck him. Fuck shit, let's put this bitch in sport mode. Damn, that motherfucker look offset. Like, he is not racing me, bro. What the fuck? Something look wrong with that Challenger. Y'all can't tell, but that motherfucker, that's a white booty Challenger for real. But man, we not even here for that. I just want to tell y'all real quick, man. Whatever y'all doing, bro, whatever the fuck you is going through, take this shit day by day. You know what I'm saying? You can think about the future, but in reality, bro, what you doing right now is what's going to determine what happens in the future. You can talk about whatever, but if you ain't doing shit, bro, ain't nothing gonna happen. This nigga tweaking. Come on, gang. I'm in sport mode. Cut the fuck up. I ain't trying to race in the rain. I just want to make some sound for y'all niggas. That ain't never a hit me. Oh, bitch, I'll fuck you up. I ain't gonna race him in the rain, though. That's crazy. That's crashing out, bro. Oh, shit. He with it, though. He with it. stay on this motherfucker and see what he talking about. Ooh, we at the light with each other? Come on. It's raining, bro. I ain't even trying to do all that. But I do want that smoke. I wish it was dry outside. This would be the perfect time. Hey, I'm going to get back on the grind over here, bro. Y'all don't even know. We ain't racing in the rain. That's crazy work. Alright, y'all. I ran out of space on the phone, so hopefully I can get a little bit out real quick. I might talk a little bit in some videos, but for the most part, I just don't talk over here, though. So, y'all stay tuned. I got some more videos coming. And thanks for the support if you like these videos, for real. I don't never say that shit in these videos. And thanks for 300-something subscribers. I don't even know where we at, like 331. But, yeah, I'm going to catch y'all, man. I'm going to get back on the grind over here. Out. One more pull? Okay. Nah, bro, fuck no, I ain't giving y'all a pull, nigga. You see that nigga walking right there, bro? I'm losing traction. Hell no. I'm not going out like that, bro. Don't crash out, y'all. I'm out.